Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to Colonel Roy Defence Academy. Recently, Ministry of Defence signed a contract with the BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited (BAPL) for acquisition of additional dual-role capable surface-to-surface BrahMos missile at overall approximate cost of 1700 crore under Buy India category. Induction of these dual-role capable missile is going to significantly enhance the operational capability of Indian Navy fleet assets. These missiles for Indian Navy to go on board Project 15B destroyers. BrahMos is a combination of names Brahmaputra and Moskva River. It is designed, developed and produced by BrahMos Aerospace, a joint venture company set up by the DRDO and Machino-Stroyenia of Russia. It is a two-stage cruise missile with a solid propellant booster engine. The enhanced range version of the missile has a range of 4000 kilometers as compared to the original range of 290 kilometers. Cruise missiles such as BrahMos called standoff range weapons, which are fired from a range for enough to allow the attacker to evade defensive fire from the adversary. For more such videos, subscribe Colonel Roy Defence Academy. Stay tuned.